What's up? So, here's the truck. We got it starting again. It died. You can see how that's the fan and these on. Don't put your hand near that or it's gonna cut you. Okay, so it's been making them like that, but no more traffic, I guess. See how all that noise is getting? You can hear where the noise is coming from. Yep. That doesn't sound good for this baby. You can see the device, how the truck is on, because look. See this? I won't get all the way down, keep it down. But you can see my foot is down. Hear that noise getting loud on? That's not good. So we figured out what the problem was. And we can hear. Hear this? That's the radio walking. Watch. Alright. I shut the hood. Weird. I shut the door and hear that noise? Right, that's where I'm gonna end the episode. So bye.